Hey, it's Scott at Pro Country Auction Service. Today we're going to talk a little bit about that upcoming auction we have in Mondovi, Wisconsin for the Mondovi Auto Truck and Tractor Repair Service. David Werlein is retiring from the repair business, and as a result, we're going to have his great lineup of not only Snap-on tools, shop equipment, but we got an 81 Chevrolet square body truck, and we got a 2021 enclosed trailer. So a great auction, 400 lots strong, and let's go down through that list of some of those highlights that we have coming up.
A rotary 14,000-pound 4-post lift, a Ranger laser tire balancer, a 1981 Chevrolet C10 Silverado truck. It has fuel injection and it's a Southern truck. A 2021 United enclosed trailer, 23 foot, and it's really nice. 2 Atlas tire changers, Snap-on refrigerant station, Snap-on wire feed welder, 2 Masterforce rolling tool chests, a vintage AMF riding lawnmower, and 90 plus lots of Snap-on wrenches, tools, and diagnostics.
Well, those are just a few of the items we have coming up on that November 12th auction. I certainly encourage you to mark your calendars for November 8th. That's a Saturday when we're going to be having the open house from 10 a.m. till 2 p.m. This auction features a lot of great tools, a lot of great shop equipment, and if that's what you're looking for, this is going to be a must-see for you. And for more information and to get those bids placed, you go to ProCountryAuction.com.